Hi everyone! In this video I wanna show you glue down hardwood floor installation with sound protection. If you need to reduce sound transmission and impact vibration, this is exactly what you need. This type of installation consists of two main components, the membrane and Bona glue. Combining these two elements provides an excellent level of blocking impact vibration. With an IIC rating of 71 for each, as well as an effective sound transmission control for voice or music with an STC rating of 65 for each, the membrane and glue work together to create an unparalleled sound protection system